Replacing the ink cartridge on a Neopost IS240 or 280 franking machine. For ease of showing you this process, we have removed the door to the cartridge area. Select your new ink cartridge and remove the tape completely from the printhead. Press Menu and scroll down to Cartridge. Number 12. Press OK. Scroll down to number 3, Headset Replacement, and press OK. The carriage presents itself ready for the new cartridge. Open the blue gate, place in the cartridge, firmly close the blue gate. Now press OK on your machine. The machine is now ready. If you wish, you may seek further ink information by scrolling up to number 1, which will tell you about your cartridge.